In this video, learn how you can change your desktop icon size. Let's dive in. Hello, my name is Edmond Sarkodie. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your desktop icon size. So to start, if you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video. On your desktop, right click on the desktop, then choose View tab. Under View tab, choose Large. This will make the icons large. Then again, you can change the icon into medium by clicking on View again, then choose Medium. And again, you can change it to small by right clicking on the desktop, then choose View tab, then click on Small Icons. This will make the icon small. And again, you can hide the icons by right clicking on the desktop, then click on View, then click on Hide Icons. And again, you can unhide it. Go to View again, then choose Unhide. This will unhide the icons. Thank you. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tap the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video.